So in question number 4 of the second exercise, we have been given a few set of isometric shapes and we'll have to make an oblique sketch for each one of the given isometric shapes. Now let us have the first shape on the canvas. Now as we can see here in the figure that this is the isometric sketch of a 3D figure which has been represented using this isometric dot sheet. We'll have to make the oblique sketch for this particular figure. For that we have already taken this oblique sketch paper, and let us now see how this 3D figure can be drawn in this oblique sketch paper. So as we can see here that this is the oblique sketch representation of the 3D figure which has been given in this isometric shape, and as we see here that on this oblique sketch paper the lengths of the solid are not equal, but they still represent the given solid in the isometric shape. So this is how the first isometric shape can be drawn using this oblique sketch paper. Let us now see the next shape on the canvas. So here again we have the second isometric shape which is being drawn using this isometric dot sheet, and we'll have to draw this in this oblique sketch paper, and we'll have to get the oblique sketch of this 3D figure. So this 3D figure can be drawn as this in this oblique sketch paper, where we again see that the sides might not be equal, but it represents the exact solid which is given in this isometric shape. So this is how we'll draw the given set of isometric shapes as their equivalent oblique sketch using an oblique sketch paper, and this is how we are going to answer question number 4 of this exercise.
To know more about how QMath can help you become a master of math, explore QMath Leap, a live online classroom program taught by highly experienced and committed teachers.